să nu-i pui până la gură că te mușcă.
Știu că mușcă.
You look so handsome.
Ce drăguț e!
Don't underestimate them. You're a ninja.
It's a boy or a girl? Do you know?
Boy.
How do you know?
How do you know?
How do you tell me that? This is from this?
بص هقول لك دي ذكر اوريها لك انا في
He will reveal to us which one is male and female and the bigger clippers.
How old are they?
10, 12, and both of them are yes, both of them are 12, and this one is 10.
And those?
في واحده 100 سنه
One of them is 100 years old,
40 وفي 30
and there's 40 and there's 30.
inside inside
Come.
Wow! Wow!
This is the mother of the son.
بص يا مستر دي دي ذكر
He says that this one, because it looks more flat, this is male.
بص بتبقى مقوسه دي
Then قوس ده ذكر.
دي ذكر
No, he says that the curvy one is a male.
عشان يعرف
Unlike
يتعامل
in the
عشان يعرف يتعامل لما يقول عليه
والنتاية في عندك
ده بتبقى مسوايه
في عندك You see, this one is flat. This one is a girl.
دي بص عشان بس نبقوا فاهمين القصه عشان لما يتعامل كده
Yes, yeah.
Now you can understand.
Sure.
Yes.
تمام
And that's why it's curvy from inside, because he lays over on this back, which is curvy. That's why his stomach must be curvy also, to take the position.
وده يا مستر تعالى ده تعبان ده اسمه ابو السيوف ده اسمه ابو السيوف تعبان ده سريع
This kind of snakes is one of the fastest snakes in the world. It's called Abu
I'm
Siyuf,
not holding that.
or that's how we call it.
Which is the venomous one?
The Sam?
لا بيعض بس مش سام
Yes, it bites, but it's not poisonous.
Okay. Which is the venomous one?
I will show
here,
you.
in
في
here.
عندكم انتوا في سمين صح؟
لا سم لا هو كل
ما عندكش سم خالص
لا
هنا؟
معظم التعابين دي صغيره اصلا يعني
There aren't any poisonous snakes here.
Oh, okay.
I will take you with me to the army. You will see them.
Okay.
ودي السحليه اللي بتدفن في الرمله دي السحليه ليه ضغط بتدفن في الرمله
The kind of lizards that they bury themselves under the ground.
Yeah.
ده اسمه ابو العيون بص ده ابو العيون بيسموه برضو الكبرى الكاذبه
No, it's called the fake cobra. This is how they call it, fake cobra.
الكاذبه لان كده بتعمل نفس الكبرى بس عضتها مش زي
It
الكبرى
takes the same position, but it doesn't bite like the cobra.
Come ti chiamo, my friend?
That's why they call it the
Camaleoni.
Camaleoni.
And this is Rambo, the chameleon.
The chameleon.
They change the color?
10 minutes it change
Every 10 minutes?
Yes, looks cute.
Great.
scared they change
Ah, if they scared.
Uite, pe eu pus așa că și-am copiat codița.
No, thank you. Yeah, great.
Vrei frică, nu?
Ja, dat is vaak op orde.
Hai, fă o poză pe rog.
Ik heb vaak
That position, you look at the end, open it.
Uite, mă, ce mișto. Fă și pe ăsta pe rog.
Fac un portret.
Oh, okay.
This is a small crocodile.
Yeah.
How old is he?
عنده كم سنة ده بصراحة؟
4 months
4 months.
تعال طلع حور طيب.
And he's biting. He has
لقى مازن. هذا بيبي.
baby crocodile.
نو بعد نو بعد.
Oh.
مش ليه انا قلت لك انت اللي تفهم معاهم انت اللي بتتكلم لغة.
لا انا قلت له والله.
They actually they don't eat. They just want to
الصور بالرأي الثاني هاك
عايز اقعد
الو هذا كروكوديل.
ده بيتشال عادي ده؟ Baby dinosaur.
Estamos respondendo?
This is dangerous. I was not sure about it also.
Ce faci, mă, frate?
ميمون.
Maimun. Ce micuță are. Fii atent la ea, mănâncă. Oh, ce drăguță e. She's a lady or a...
البنت ولا ذكر ولا
Vă referiți la crocodil sau
Da.
la
Yes, he says that it's probably a man.
A man? Ok.
Yep.
Bine, dar doarme de rupe, adică îi se frânge de
He
noi.
is a man and now he's working in the tourism.
Ne ciucură făcută de pielea asta. Niște pantofi.
Nu.
Cizme de alea de mexicani.
Hello, cop.
Da,
Dom'le, Mănase, mă plictisisem să vă mai înțelegi. Mi se luase după primul moment în care, wow.
da جد شوف.
Banane.
Oh, it's the snake's skin.
Cu ce, cu maimuța, vrei?
Also one.
Oh my god. Hello.
Say hello to my little friend.
Ăștia erau foarte vârste inițial și nu era iarba verde, nu știu ce. Și unde mă văd ce că erau super relaxați băieții. Doamne!
Sunt unii care...